Hi, my name is Stuart Ralston. I'm the chef owner of LYLA, Aizle, Noto and Tipo, all in Edinburgh. Today we're in LYLA and I'm going to be making a langoustine dish with burnt apple and sorrel. Kind of inspiration for it was just to have langoustines on the menu, really simply done, something that you can eat with your hands. For me, it's kind of like almost like a fish and chip sort of flavour. And with the burnt apple, it kind of reminds me of the really vinegary brown sauce that I used to eat fish and chips with as a kid. So we get our langoustines from Aizle, they're all creel caught. We try and get double XLs, the largest ones possible on the market basically for this dish. This dish is kind of a signature dish of the restaurant. It's super simple, but we just basically take the langoustines and freeze them. It's a more humane way of killing them, makes them more relaxed and sleepy. And then we just prep it after it's frozen to be able to take the shell off whilst the meat is still raw. Then it's the easier way to do it if we freeze it. So yeah, just gonna peel the langoustine. And we peel it from frozen so that the meat comes out nice and clean but is uncooked as opposed to blanching them first. So that way we can really control the final cooking in the fryer, because we only want it in the fryer, you know, maybe 30 to 40 seconds just to get the pastry crispy and the langoustine just cooked. But basically it comes out perfectly flat, ready to go on the pastry. So we'll skewer it to keep it straight while it cooks, because it doesn't curl up in the fryer this way. We just wrap it 2 times in the pastry, and we just square this off, neaten up the pastry, and then that's ready to go in the fryer. So we're just going to drop the langoustine in the fryer at 180 degrees for 45 seconds. Going to drop the basket. Ready? The scallop rolls we keep from the scallop tart that goes upstairs on the snacks. We just blanch them, salt them, and then dehydrate them in a smoker until they're totally crispy, and then we just shave it on top like a salt. So it gives a real nice seafood flavour and sort of drives home that shellfish flavour. So that's the cooking done, and now we're going to plate it up. So I'm going to place a bit of the burnt apple puree on the plate. Then we're going to put a little stripe of mayonnaise to hold the langoustine in place. Then we're going to top the burnt apple with some sorrel leaves. The finger bowl has a little bit of rose, dehydrated rose in it to clean your fingers afterwards. And there we have the Scottish Langoustine with burnt apple and sorrel.